The next home that I'm going to show you in the Seawalk community, this model is the Army, which has the Elevation B package. Here, I'll just show you the outside of the home here. With the nicer trim design on the front compared to some of the ones that may not have it. And the one that I'm standing at right now is 1403 Northeast White Pine Terrace in Ocean Breeze. And it is listed at $372,000. But this is a red tag sale, so there's additional incentives. Right now they are offering a $20,000 package, which is $10,000 towards closing and an additional $10,000 towards incentives. If the price just isn't there, come in anyway. Give me a call first so I can go with you. But check it out anyway. There's a lot of inventory all down there and a whole bunch more of homes that they were cranking up on production right before everything started happening with the coronavirus. So, which is why I'm here. It's an opportunity to come in here and try to sell some of this, excess inventory. So, all this whole row is available. Okay, so let's go inside. I'll walk you through this one. 1403 Northeast White Pine Terrace. All right, so this is the Array model, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has 1,672 living square feet and just over 2,200 total, including the garage and outside. I'll walk you through the 3rd bedroom facing the street. And so if you don't like the carpet, don't let that bother you. There's several different packages to choose from. I'd say probably the most important thing is picking out the backyard view or the front yard view that you want to have in your home, because there is a lot of different styles to choose from, packages. The 2nd bedroom here. All right. I skipped past one thing, which is it's a connected home, like a smart home, like a Ring camera, wireless lock, wireless home security. Around here first, wireless thermostat. All right, so I'm going to show you the view of the kitchen. You've got an island with electrical hookups and water, and then your pantry is just to the right. And that's tile, those planks right there. Pretty solid. So my recommendation is to just give me a call. We'll take a look, come out here in person. If anything that I'm showing you today just slightly interests you, I wouldn't let the price be a deterrent, or the models that I'm showing you, if you don't like the location, I wouldn't let that be a deterrent. And about the location, There is a walking path at the entrance. You come in through Skyline Drive, and then there's a walking path to the public shopping center. And you're also in walking distance to downtown Jensen Beach. So Mulligan's, Taco Tiki, Crawdaddy's. There's 17 different restaurants that are walking distance, which is a deal in itself for me. I've always wanted to live where I could walk to a restaurant and not have to worry about driving back home. So here you get your walk-in closet. And we'll go into the master bathroom. And dual sinks. And walk-in shower. And here you've got your laundry room, which is nice because it completely closes off. You can leave the sound in there. We'll go walk in the garage. There's hurricane protection all around. There's your crawl space. You have a hurricane rated door. Walk you through as if I were showing a home. And here's my good. What's that? Yeah, is that all right? Great. So this is Kim Spalletta. She is my colleague here at D.R. Horton, and we're working together on moving these red tag extra inventory homes. Looks like this one's already furnished. So I'll give Kim a second, turn on the lights, and I think I'm gonna have some questions for her. Okay, so once again, I am showing homes in the Seawalk community of Ocean Breeze. And I'm going through the red tag homes. Like I was saying, the excess inventory, they are running some extra specials. So there is a list price, but then there's additional incentives on top of that that come to $20,000. So it's $10,000 towards closing costs, and then an additional $10,000 towards incentives like upgrades. And if you are a military or first responder, there's an additional $4,000 incentive there. And for those of you that work with me, especially first responders and military, I do an additional program that's totally separate from the Builder Special. It's called Military on the Move. and that's where I'm able to give you a rebate at closing, and it's based off of the total sales amount of your home. I can explain that better in person, but all you gotta do is give me a call. If you see anything that interests you, don't even worry about the pricing, don't worry about the view. If you like the model, you like the way the home looks and built, there's lots to choose from. There's several different views, and the price, I think we can get the price where you want it. All right, so can I ask you a couple questions, Kim?
Sure.
So, what you want? How long have you worked here?
I have only worked for Tier Horton for about 4 months,
Mm-hmm.
but I am a new home construction specialist. I come from New Jersey, where that's what I did for a living, is I sold new construction homes there as well, for a custom builder actually in Monmouth County, New Jersey. So here I am now in sunny Florida. Not so sunny today though. It's a little cloudy and thunder, but here we are. This home, if you're interested,
I'm very interested. I did not. No, I was just walking in and following right behind you.
Why don't you show me?
Sorry. Okay, so what do you want to go first?
Okay, so the package that's in this home comes with these dark cabinets, and it's a quartz top, not granite. Quartz is actually awesome though. It's a white speckly quartz.
Okay.
Frigidaire appliances in this home. It does not come with a washer and dryer. The washer room is right over this way.
Okay, but that's one of the incentives that you can pick. The two from the three.
Typically, it doesn't come with it, but if any of your buyers would like to purchase it, we could throw in a nice washer and dryer for them as well.
So is there? Oh, is that the air handler? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we use Carrier for the heat and AC.
Okay.
Did you go that way yet?
Nope.
Okay, let's go this way. This is your great room, living, dining combination. It has 18 by 18
What package do you
ceramic
call this?
tile.
What the tile?
This is the standard package.
Okay.
And then into the master bedroom, it's carpeted. It's a really large room. It would definitely fit a king bed.
Oh yeah.
And off to the right is a walk-in closet and then a full bathroom.
This is $13.93, right?
Mm-hmm.
So is that price right? That seems really low.
That's right. It is low. So we've reduced the prices based on the coronavirus and everything that's going on. We reduced the prices, so it is at $360 right now.
Catch on the camera?
Yeah. No. You can turn it on yourself and tell everyone all about it.
I like it when it's staged like this. It's a lot easier to talk about.
And
It's so
it's
big.
not echoey.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
I think a nice feature to point out too are the raised doors and then the brushed nickel handles. I think that's nice and contemporary. You know, they used to put in the cathedral kind of doors or
Mhm.
the 6-panel, but these are really pretty.
Is it thunder?
Mm-hmm. So, I don't know if anyone can see it on there, but the walls in here are painted gray too. If you point down to the white, you can tell. There you go. The tile is in the gray family. The walls are in the gray family. All the carpeting is in a beige color. It's Mohawk carpeting.
Extra neutral.
Mm-hmm. The window blinds, they come with this house as well. One of the incentives that people can choose is crown molding on the top of their cabinetry up here.
Mm-hmm.
You can put some crown molding up there. Sometimes people want regular crown molding in their living room, dining room, bedroom. They can opt for that as well.
Look at the backyard. And there's enough room for a pool.
Absolutely. The HOA will take care of all of the lawn maintenance on all 4 sides of the home. They'll trim trees, put down mulch, cut the grass. The sprinkler system is when the lawn is watered, it's paid for by the HOA as well.
So that doesn't come out of your utility.
That's right.
What else does the HOA cover? Does it do cable or anything?
No.
So you get your lawn maintenance, and
It's
the pool.
The front gates,
Uh-huh.
the pool,
Common areas. And it's $235 a month. That's pretty good. The other community is $260.
it is, this is the lowest one.
Yeah.
Because there's more homes, I believe, is why it could be less money.
We'll go to the next one.